Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide a Google Sheets tab. Alright, so if you want to hide the Google Sheets tab from your Google spreadsheets, it's really easy to do. Keep in mind that if you hide the sheets, it won't be deleted, so you can unhide it later. If you want to completely remove a tab, you can delete the Google Sheets tab as well. But now, how to hide a Google Sheets tab? All you have to do is go to the tab you want to hide. Then you can either right click on the tab, or you can also click on this down arrow here, and as you can see, you will see the option hide sheet. And now, as you can see, this copy of project management tab has been hidden. However, it hasn't been deleted, so if you want to unhide a Google Sheets tab, all you have to do is click on these three lines here and click on the tab you want to unhide. And now, as you can see, the copy of project management sheet or tab with this beautiful project management table has been unhidden. But all in all, this is how you can hide a Google Sheets tab in Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.